how to add space in your Roblox display name. So open up Roblox, click on the gear icon here in the top right, and then we'll need to go into settings. Now, if we try to add space here to our display name, if we click on the pencil icon and I try to add a space, it will tell me that display name contains unsupported characters. However, we can work around this. So we will scroll down until we see our account location, and we'll need to change it to the United States. So if it's changed to the United States here, so I'll just need to write my PIN, and it's going to show me this. You can only change your location once. So if I set my location here to the United States, now if I go back and I choose my display name, I click on the pencil icon and I add a space. As you can see, now I can add a space in my name. If I click on save, now it will update with a space. That's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.